Uh, I'm pretty excited for this one, man. It's supposed to be a huge war. We're finally gonna get a fight between Rollo and Ragnarok. So,
No, you're mistaken. I've never seen that ring before.
what a bitch, huh?
What happened?
He said it was not his ring.
He's lying.
He is scared as
I know
hell.
it is his father's ring.
It is right. It doesn't matter what I do.
Dang. Yeah, because remember the last one she tried to have a child, it died by birth.
To prove this is prophecy.
Or she had a miscarriage.
To this day here. I want you to protect all the food and the supplies. Can you do that?
Yes, father.
Yes?
Oh, that's good. He's not putting them in danger.
That's where we are the most alive.
They get ready for battle. Rollo's a good warrior too. Why is she even there? I don't get that. Like,
Afraid I wouldn't be here.
yeah, she should leave. I don't know why she's in this area. There we go. Hide her under there, or hide between in the grass area. Quicksand? Wow. They made themselves well known. They gotta go faster. It's too much for them. Is today her day? Can I get to Rollo though? Where's that line at? They said it was supposed to be a line. There we go. Oh shit. Dang. It actually worked. It actually worked, man. Dang, they were prepared, bro. They were prepared, man. They're getting destroyed, bro. That was a good plan, man. It's war now. Floki's not dead. They don't know what the hell is going on, too. Oh, man. No mercy. They're here to take over, bro. No survivors. Yeah, he's not dead. We didn't see him get shot or anything like that. Wow. Almost missed her. It was a good plan, man. That was a good plan. Throw a rope there and pull him. You got lucky, man. They won this battle. They were destined to fight each other, man. They're turning back.
To meet her.
No, she'll be dead when you see her. I'm not gonna lie, I really don't care for this storyline in a way. Well, maybe he will cross paths with Ragnarok, but I'm not. I want to go with them. I want them to go back to the war. Is he even a fighter though? Well, there's two wars going on. One at Paris and one going to Mercia. Wow, man. Oh, she's still alive? Okay. No forgiveness now for Rollo. Power struggle. That's his brother, man. You know. That's fucked up. He did everything for you guys. Betrayed his own people.
God be praised.
He's lying his ass off. They haven't left the boats yet. Probably a hiding spot so they don't find him.
Nobody here understands what you're saying, King Ragnar. Though they may be, they ought to listen instead of talking.
This is a trap right here.
Queen of Mercia.
Damn, tone him straight up. Tone her straight up. Took the prized possession. They may kill her at the end of this episode.
You should also know that I'm carrying Rollo's child.
Wow, he has a child now. I can't upwork said how
So let me drink.
how life is strange is. He's gonna get set up, huh? It's a lot of boats.
I feel stupid right enough.
at least he's honest. After they whip him, they're gonna arrest him too.
Will you help me?
At least help her escape. She ain't trying to take over, just help her escape.
Don't expect to escape.
Dang, bro. She can't even fucking escape because that other broad, her dumbass. That's not a sign of insurance to her. Actually killed her, bro. Killed her. We gotta kill this, bro. They even kill his unborn child. She's fucking crazy. You gotta kill this broad, bro. Alright, that was Vikings season 4, episode 7 and 8. A lot of betrayals happened. Ragnar killed that Asian lady with the quickness once she was throwing them about that the secret he kept about their village being destroyed. They had a failed attempt to try to invade Paris, but now Ragnar found a way to try to maneuver a different route for them and kept somewhere else so no one would see. They also Paris. They killed that general, and now Rollo's a new guy. Next in line. And he has a child, which is good for him. Keen Urban or the other woman, they need to go. They need to go, bro. I'm tired. Like, she needs to go. His son and Alfred, they are gone. They left to Rome. Which, when he comes back, he's probably going to kill all of them. And it's such a sad moment is that that woman who killed the other girl, I only care for her character anyway. Most of the top of it all, the one that key Urban is his mistress. I didn't care for her either. So her being dead in this series, I wouldn't care for her, and I'll be delighted her to be dead. I don't care for her at all. Right on, it's starting to be dark, man. He's starting to be the king that has dark secrets, and he's willing to kill in order to keep secrets, a secret anyway. Yeah. I wonder what's about to happen. And it ended off in another cliffhanger. I'm excited what's about to happen. So tell me what you guys and gals thought. Did you like the episode? Did I like the episode? Tell me what you thought. Hit the like button. Subscribe to for more content such as reactions, short films, keep the walkthroughs, vlogs, etc. Thank you for watching. Peace out.